Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. On this video we have a 2016 Ford Police Utility that is now ready to be sold. 16 with 106,000 miles, okay, on the odometer. So clean title, fully serviced, okay, and now ready for a new owner. If you're interested in one of our vehicles, please give us a call, 909-457-5500, or visit our webpage at www.drivecarsmart.com, or just give us a call, because we don't post everything on our website, because we do have orders for these vehicles. So sometimes we might show a few of them on the actual site, but we actually have 10 or 15 in the back that are being worked on. Okay, so if you want to get your hands on one of these, please give us a call or send us a message. Okay, so but here we go guys. 2016 Ford Police Utility. Here we go. So we have LED lights on both of them. They are fully functional. Okay, huge Satina push bar with side bumper protection. Okay, this thing is a monster. Okay, you will do some serious damage if you hit somebody with this, right? But man, it's a monster. Talk about front end protection, huh? So anyways, let's go to the front. So Goodyear Eagles all the way around, 245, 55, 18, all the way around, 245, 55, 18, Goodyear Eagle RSAs. Okay, top there is no antennas this time, okay, which is pretty cool. Okay, check it out. As you know, all police utility vehicles are all-wheel drives. The Explorer Police Utility, okay, again, look at this bumper. Jesus. All right, cool. So now that we got the exterior out the way, let's go ahead and show you the inside of it. All right, driver's door. This does have a ballistic panel. Okay, you got a white and red dome light or ticket light. Okay, all right. Perfect. All right, so now let's get to the back door. All right, rear door. Nice cage on the actual cage protection, you know, or cage guards, window guards for the all rear windows. Okay, well, not all of them, you know, just the back. All right, let's show you the trunk. All right, parking sensors standard on these cars, to the best of my knowledge. All right, window metal guard, nice and sturdy. All right, let's close this up. Okay, this is a driver's rear. Cool. Let's go to the front Front door. Oh. Front door. All right. Let me show you the odometer. All right, so we got 106,785 on the odometer. Okay, just turned on the engine for you. I'm going to be quiet now so you can actually listen to it. All right, sorry about that, guys. We had a train in the background. So anyways, you heard the engine, and the car is actually on now. But if you have any questions, guys, please feel free to give us a call, and we'll be more than happy to answer all your questions and help you get into one of these vehicles if you're interested. Also, thanks for the likes, the comments, the good, the bad. Thanks for the subscription, guys. And this is our second car at the new location, so I'll make a video down the line once we get situated, because we're still not situated yet, but the cars are going to start coming out. I'm sorry, because we do have some orders. Some orders and some Explorers. But anyways, again, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for taking the time, and have a blessed rest of day. Peace.